guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Pranati Harkur. So we're going to be talking about double cleansing, what it is, do you actually need double cleansing in your routine, and I'll also share a few of my favorite products that I've been using in my double cleansing routine. So let's get started. So let's first understand what double cleansing is. So as the name suggests, double cleanse is basically you're cleansing your face twice. But are you using the same cleanser to wash your face twice? No. You're using two different kinds of cleansers in this two-step routine. So your first step is the oil-based cleanser. These cleansers are usually a blend of oils and emollients which give it that oily texture and hence the name. So these include products like cleansing oils, cleansing balms, and also micellar water, which is a form of an oil cleanser. And your second step would include washing your face with a water-based cleanser, which could be just your regular cleanser that you use as an essential in your morning routine. So it's basically a two-step routine where you're first cleansing with an oil-based cleanser and then you go in with your water-based cleanser. So do you actually need to double cleanse? So if you're someone who uses a sunscreen which is water resistant, basically it's something that is not going to come off easily with water. Or if you're someone who uses a lot of heavy makeup and also makeup that is water resistant or waterproof, again, that is something that is not going to come off easily with water. So this is where you would need to include oil-based cleansers in your routine. There was a study that was actually conducted where if you're using a water-resistant sunscreen and you try to cleanse it off with your regular water-based cleanser, it is still going to leave around 40% of the residue behind on your skin. So to ensure that you're actually removing all of that sunscreen that you are using to actually protect yourself. And usually most of the sunscreens that we use have UV filters which have a tendency to actually penetrate and enter your bloodstream. You want to avoid leaving behind any of the sunscreen residue on your face. But if you're someone who does not use a lot of makeup and you don't even use a sunscreen which is actually waterproof, then a regular water-based cleanser does its job and you don't actually need to double cleanse. But I personally actually like double cleansing and I've included it in my routine for the last few years. Even though I do not use a sunscreen which is actually water resistant and I don't use a lot of heavy makeup, it's basically a lot of the eye makeup that is usually waterproof that I use. It does help with cleaning my pores from deep within. If you're looking to cleanse your pores deeply, then this is obviously a great option, but you don't have to do it every single night. It is something that you can do a few times in a month and your pores are just gonna feel all clean and happy. But I would highly recommend that you try out if you actually need double cleansing in your routine. And if you're a beginner and if you're trying it for the first time, I would highly recommend going gentle on your skin and not being very harsh. You want to ensure that you're including products that are actually gentle and mild on your skin. So double cleansing is definitely very beneficial for cleansing your clogged pores. It does ensure that it takes out all of that sebum oil buildup that your pores usually have, and you have the soft, smooth texture on your skin. Personally, I also skip double cleansing on the nights when I actually am not wearing any waterproof makeup or waterproof sunscreen. Again, cleansing and skincare in general is a personal thing and this is something that works for me. Listen to your skin and try to accommodate your skincare routine and the steps that you're doing based on how your skin is actually feeling. So what is the right method to actually double cleanse? So the first step where you include the oil-based cleanser, you're using it on a dry face. You're not going to mix any water when you start applying it on your face. So take some of the oil-based cleanser on your hands and you just rub it in your hands. So the heat from your hands helps dissolve that product and break it down into more of an oily texture and make it easier for application onto your skin. And you just go in like regular circular motions and it's seamlessly going to remove the sunscreen makeup impurities from your skin. And then you can just wash it off with regular regular or lukewarm water. You can also emulsify this product on your skin by taking some lukewarm water in your hands, and then you can work it up on your skin. But you can also just rinse it off with enough water, because it's an oil-based cleanser, it's not going to come off so easily with water. But since these products usually have emulsifiers, they will start breaking down and dissolving as soon as they come in contact with water. So you have to just rinse it off properly and just be a bit patient with the whole process. And to ensure that you're actually getting off grease that was actually left behind from the oil-based cleanser, you go in with the second step where you're using a water-based cleanser, and you just do your regular cleansing and just rinse it off with water. So now let's talk about a few of the products that I've been using and I really like. They have worked for me. The first product is the Plum Illuminance Simple Supple Cleansing Balm. So this is a really nice product. I really like it. More on the waxier side. It does have minimal fragrance to it, which I don't really mind. A great formulation because it has sunflower seed oil, and it is one of the oldest plant oils that have been used in skincare products. Very rich in emollients. It does have a lot of plant oil. It has argan oil and soybean oil. It does have a waxy texture to it. It does feel lightweight when you're using it on your face, and it does take off the makeup very easily. It doesn't irritate my eyes, which is amazing. When you take it on your palms, it does feel like it's so thick and waxy. Actually start using it on your face, it is so lightweight and you do not feel so greasy or oily. So that's like one thing that I really like about this product. Next, I have the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. This is a product that I used last year and I continue to use it this year. This is again a cleansing balm which looks very thick and look like it's very heavy. You start working it up in your hands, it just like melts so quickly. It does have a very strong fragrance. It's more on the fruity, citrusy side, but I really actually don't mind this fragrance. Very rich in glycerin and plant extracts. It also has turmeric root extract, which I really like because turmeric has amazing properties. It's anti-inflammatory, it's antioxidant rich, and it's also going to brighten your skin. So it has all of these benefits in a cleanser, which is amazing. It does have like sunflower seed oil, moringa seed oil, which is again a beautiful blend of plant oils in this cleansing balm. Makes it so nourishing for the skin. And then I have the Deconstruct Soothing Cleansing Balm. I really like the fact that this product is not in a skincare jar or a tub, but in a tube. This makes it so convenient for you to actually squeeze out the product into your hands and use. When you squeeze it out on your hands, it does have like these micro bead granules. They actually dissolve so quickly as soon as you start rubbing it between your fingers. To a good blend of oils and also like rice extracts, so it is going to calm and soothe your skin as well as ensure that you're cleansing off the makeup and sunscreen very gently from your skin. This again doesn't feel very heavy on the face. It is pretty lightweight and it does have a non-greasy feel to it once you actually cleanse it off. This product has an interesting ingredient, which is the PEG20 glyceryl triisostearate. It's a mouthful. So this ingredient is something that you would want to look out for if you're someone like me who doesn't like to use a cloth to rinse off the oil-based cleanser but prefers doing it with water. This is an ingredient that actually makes an oil-based cleanser come off easily when you rinse it with water. Cleansing oil that I really like is the Face Shop Rice Water Cleansing Oil. Nice product because it does have rice extract, so it is something that is going to be beneficial for your skin because of its antioxidant, soothing, calming properties. It is going to give you the nourishment as well as ensure that it's cleansing off your makeup and sunscreen gently. And And this is again very rich in emollients, so it is ensuring that it's going to take care of the moisturization that your skin needs. It's an amazing product, and it's also rich in jojoba seed oil, so it is a great emollient which is actually going to give your skin that nourishment and moisturization that it actually needs. So these are the cleansing balms and oils that I use in my double cleansing routine. But we have to talk about the third type, which is the micellar waters. I personally do not use micellar waters, but I have tried them in the past. They are a great option because they are usually fragrance free and alcohol free, and they are basically an oil in water emulsion, but in more of the water form, so they are not very greasy and oily on your skin. But the reason I actually don't use them, because when I actually tried it out, it does irritate my eyes and the area around my eyes. I do not know why, it's just a personal thing. It's a great option if you do not like something that's more on the oilier side, because it does feel very lightweight and does take off your makeup and sunscreen very easily. It's also shown to retain your moisture content and maintain your skin barrier function really well. So it is definitely a great option even for sensitive skin types. So this is something that can work for you, but personally, because it has caused sensitivity in my eyes and around my eyes, I do not use it. And I also just like the whole idea of using my hands for cleansing my face, which is why I stick to cleansing oils and cleansing balms. And I just don't like rubbing my eyes using a cotton pad by putting a product on it. So many great options. I've tried the Garnier micellar water. It's an amazing formulation. And even the Bioderma Sensi Bio is again a great option. There are so many micellar waters out there which are great formulations which you can use even if you're a beginner. So this was all about double cleansing. Hope you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about the essential cleansing step, which is the water-based cleanser, I will link my previous video here if you're interested. And please do let me know what your favorite cleansers are in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please do share it with your friends and hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, happy skincaring. Take care. Bye-bye.